So let's talk about why StreamAnalytix. In the landscape of real-time streaming analytics technologies and products, today's enterprise is confronted with a huge number of options. And broadly, there are two categories by default. The first category is proprietary products. So as an enterprise buying proprietary technology, proprietary product, you obviously have fairly credible options in the marketplace, but all of them have the principal disadvantage of it being a proprietary product or a technology, which is you're locked into the specific vendor. There's an economic disadvantage that you have as an enterprise. The speed of the innovation of the vendors again limits you. The vendor may or may not be able to innovate as fast as maybe the open source ecosystem can do, right? So vendor lock-in, price disadvantage, speed of innovation disadvantage. So broadly, the second option is do it yourself with open source technologies, right? Now, that's again a credible option. There's a number of open source products and technologies that you have. Now, there's a disadvantage in this option as well, which is the level of investment in building a team with that kind of depth of skills is huge. You got to find those people that know these technologies, that constantly can keep up with them, and there's a huge initial capital expense of building out the whole platform that could be many quarters with tens or 20s of people. After that, you have a maintenance cost and maintenance cycle where again you've got to maintain ongoingly this whole platform. And this whole situation may not be very favorable if you want to focus on your business and your business logic, right? You don't want to deal with the infrastructure issue of having a big software engineering team just dealing with the platform. So that's the disadvantage of doing it yourself with open source. Now, that begs for the third option, which is StreamAnalytix. That's exactly why we exist. It brings together the best of these two worlds of enterprise class product and open source based system and pulls it together. So StreamAnalytix is a real-time streaming analytics platform that pulls together the best of the two worlds, enterprise class and open source, and mitigates the disadvantages of both. Because you now have a vendor that delivers a platform to you where you don't need to focus on the underlying infrastructure, and the open source community will keep innovating really quickly, and StreamAnalytix keeps bringing to you the advantage of the open source technology and keeps you future proof. So you have the best of enterprise class and open source, and you have future proof technology architecture. That's why enterprises are best served choosing StreamAnalytix for their streaming analytics platform.